In today's video, I will walk you through where to find namespace in Salesforce. To begin, move to your Salesforce dashboard where the account settings and setup tools are available. Once you are on the main Salesforce screen, continue by locating the gear icon near the top area of the page. This icon gives access to the setup section where different Salesforce configuration options can be managed. After finding the gear icon, select it to open the available menu options. From the menu that appears, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then load the setup page where administrative settings and management tools are located. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the search bar inside the setup menu. This search area is used to locate different Salesforce tools and settings more quickly. Inside the search field, type Package Manager. As the search results appear, locate the option labeled Package Manager and select it to continue. Salesforce will then open the Package Manager section connected to your account settings. Inside the Package Manager area, this is where you can locate the namespace information connected to Salesforce packages and related configurations. Continue reviewing the information displayed on the screen to find the namespace connected to your setup. The process mainly involves opening the Salesforce Setup area, using the Setup search bar, searching for Package Manager, and opening the matching result to access the namespace section inside Salesforce. If the page takes a few moments to load, wait until Salesforce finishes opening the Package Manager section before continuing. Once everything loads completely, the namespace information will be available within that section of the platform. This process can be completed directly from the Salesforce Setup menu without needing additional tools or settings outside the platform. The main steps include opening Setup from the gear icon, searching for Package Manager, and accessing the section where namespace details are displayed. After reaching the Package Manager page, you can continue navigating through the available package information connected to your Salesforce account. The namespace details connected to installed or managed packages will appear within that area, depending on the account configuration. That is the full process for finding the namespace in Salesforce. Thank you for watching.